Hello guys. Welcome back again. Today we learn how to create simple, but cinematic, logo reveal animation. Now let's get started.
Preview.
As you can see, we already create a composition. Now we add text. I'm using Rubik Light font. Make sure text alignment is in center. Now we add one more text for tagline. We also align it to center. We move the text up. Then come here and enable title action safe. Adjust the text. Then we disable it. We bring down the second text. Then select first text, and add gradient ramp effect. Now we change start color. Then we change end color. Now we will adjust the start of ramp point, then end of ramp. Something like that. We also add bevel alpha effect. Change its thickness to 30. Light angle to 160 degree, light intensity to 0.8. Now in gradient ramp effect, again we will adjust the start of ramp point, then end of ramp point. Now copy the both effect, then paste it to second text. Again we will adjust the start of ramp point, then end of ramp point. Something like that. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Twitter. After adjustment, we will come at 2-second 15 frames. And add opacity keyframe, change value to 0%. Then come at 4-second, and change value to 100%. Now we will select the keys, and change it to Easy Ease. Let's preview it. Perfect. Now we will move to next step, select the both layer, and create a pre-compose. We call it text. Now we insert Fire, and Fire Alpha Video, by drag and drop. We also unhide it. Then we will add Set Matte effect, on text composition. Change Matte from to Fire Alpha. Now we select Videos, and change its blend mode to Add. Then come to Set Matte effect, and change Use Matte value to Luminance. Let's preview it. Now we will duplicate the composition, and in Set Matte effect, enable Invert Matte. We will unhide the fire layer, then bring it up. Now we will come at 2-second 10 frames, and add opacity keyframe, change value to 0%. Then come at 3-second, and change value to 100%. Now we will select the keys, and change it to Easy Ease. Let's preview it. Perfect. Please give your 1 minute to check my Gumroad account. Now we are going to insert the flare video by drag and drop. Then change its blend mode to Add. Let's preview it. Cool. We create new adjustment layer. Then we add exposure effect. Change gamma value to 0.9. We also add tint effect on it. Change amount value to 5%. Now we will insert particle video. Then change its blend mode to add. We will create a new solid for background. Change its color something like that. We bring it to down. Now again, we will create a new solid for fade. Change its color something like that. Now we come at 5 seconds. And add opacity keyframe change value to 0%. Then come at 6 second 15 frames, and change value to 100%. We will select the both keys, and change it to Easy Ease. Let's preview it. Cool. You can download its sound from my Gumroad account. All the links are below. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial, and create own animation. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And follow me on my Instagram account. Please don't forget to leave your feedback. Your feedback is very important to us. We will meet on next tutorial, and be happy.